Staking and delegation in Bittensor. Welcome to this short explainer on staking and delegation in Bittensor, the decentralized machine learning network powered by the TAO token. What is staking in Bittensor? In Bittensor, staking means locking your TAO tokens into the network to support its operations. You can stake directly to the root network, or you can choose a specific subnet, which represents a distinct area of machine learning computation. Delegating your stake to a validator. When you stake your TAO, you're not just placing it in the network, you also delegate it to a validator. Validators are responsible for securing the network and ensuring honest behavior. The more TAO a validator receives through delegation, the more influence they have in their subnet or the root network. Earning rewards. Through staking. As a staker, you're rewarded for supporting the network. These rewards are earned passively and can accumulate over time, providing a financial incentive for participation. No lockup period. Flexibility for stakers. One of the key benefits of staking TAO is flexibility. There's no lockup period, meaning you can unstake your tokens at any time without waiting through a cooldown phase. Risks of staking to a subnet. However, staking is not without risk. Staking to a subnet ties your rewards to the performance of that specific validator and its tasks. If the validator underperforms, your rewards may drop, or you could even lose a portion of your stake if the subnet fails. Learn more. Bittensor's staking and delegation system empowers users to play an active role in the network's security and performance, while earning rewards for their participation. To dive deeper into how it works, visit the official documentation at learnbittensor.org. Learn more about staking and delegation in Bittensor